Before using your software, you must contact JTECH customer service to register your software and receive an activation key. First, open the JTECH Medical Northstar software. Next, locate the registration site code. Contact JTECH customer service using the information you see on the screen. Next, enter the site key exactly as provided by the JTECH customer service representative into the site key field. Click Authorize, then click Continue. Set your maintenance support expiration date. Locate Help and Support, then right-click on the button for that menu. The customer service representative will provide you with a new key. Click OK. Your Northstar software registration is now complete. Before we can add a patient, we need to make sure our database is set up correctly. Northstar is designed to integrate into practices large or small and offers flexibility in the way databases are stored and shared. So, let's first go into databases. Here you can create a new database, or you can add or edit an existing database. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to set up a new database. Click the Add button to start creating a new database. Now let's select whether it's a local or shared database. This will depend on how your clinic operates. If you have multiple systems but keep a single database, select Shared Microsoft SQL from the dropdown. If you plan on keeping patient files only on the computer you use to perform evaluations, select Local. Now give your database a name. Now select the location of your database. Again, this will depend on how your clinic is set up. If you have any question about this step, contact your systems administrator, or you can call JTECH customer service for assistance. You can also configure the backup settings from here. Standard Automatic Backup will create a subfolder in the same location as your database, or you can specify another location for safekeeping. Click the Save and Close button here to continue. Here you can also create a manual backup of your database by selecting the database, then clicking Backup. Give your archive file a name and select a location, then click Backup. You can import or export a variety of Northstar data using database transfer. Contacts, custom tests, test sequences, and custom narratives and forms can be transferred in or out of the software here. Before we close databases, we'll just briefly point out another feature of Northstar: user accounts. User accounts allow you to restrict access to the database and the patient information it contains to approved users. You can use any alphanumeric character or symbol in the username field, but no spaces. The first user will be automatically granted administrative access. Any additional accounts you create can be granted administrative rights here. Clicking Force Password Change will force normal user accounts to change their password the first time they access the database. The Display Name field will appear at the top of the interface. Click the Home button at the top or the Close button here to close databases.